Good evening to all of you. My name is Laukesh Kumar. Currently, I am pursuing BSc Honours Agriculture from College of Agriculture, Kotwa, Azamgarh, Sub-Campus Acharya Narendra University of Agriculture and Technology, Kumarganj, Ayodhya. Today, we discuss about uh, introduction of wheat and morphology and uh, cultivation of wheat. Scientific name of wheat Triticum acidum and chromosome number 42, which is hexaploid and origin is Southwest Asia, family Poaceae. Wheat is a first rank in the world, both production and area. Wheat is a most important crop among the cereals after rice. Wheat is a world's stable food, and wheat have found a very important protein, uh, spongy protein, which is called gluten protein, which 10 to 11% are found in wheat. Harvesting index of wheat 14% and test weight of wheat 10 to 11 gram and Phalaris minor is 2 gram. Wheat is hexaploid in nature. According to chromosome number, is divided into three main groups: monoploid, diploid, and tetraploid. Wheat is fruit type is caryopsis, and flower is head spikelets. Now we discuss about morphology of wheat. This is a wheat plant. Uh, this is a root. Root is two types of root found in crops. First is a seminal root, which emerges from the seed, which provides nourishment of seed germination. And this is a temperate root, and second one is a crown root, which is developed after 20 to 22 days, and this is a stem. Stem is divided in two parts. First is a node which is hollow, which is soiled nodes, and the internodes with between two nodes, which is hollow and cylindrical. And this is a flag leaf, and leaf sheet covers the stem. This is a, this is the leaf sheet and the leaf blade, and this is a spikes and spikelets zigzag portion covering called rachis. This is a rachis. This is rachis, and this is a lima, and lima attached to oven, and this is a pelia. Also found grain. Grain is uh, three three parts: embryo, and embryo provides nourishment uh, and food, and embryo which is for germination, and interculture operation of wheat. Wheat can be sown with mustard crop in the ratio of 3:1. Means 3 ratio of wheat sowing, and three row of wheat sowing, and then 1 row of mustard sowing, and also intercropping by chickpea, and a new method can use for this interculture cropping with sugarcane. Sugarcane has 4 to 5 row sowing wheat, and 3 to 4 row sowing sugarcane crops. Sugarcane crop. Insect of insect Management of wheat. Major insect which damage to the crop like gandhi bug, termites, and mice uh, um, and different type of disease like black black rust which causes by Puccinia granulatici and brown rust with uh, Puccinia uh, Puccinia granulatici and Puccinia recondita and yellow rust is caused by Puccinia stripiformis. Black rust can be managed by Plantavax at the rate of 0.1% of mixture, which given by spraying at the interval of 15 day period. And different diseases like disease, smut disease, and carnal want, and different type disease which damage the uh, weed weed species, seven wheat species found in world, but only four species cultivated in India. First weed species is common wheat, scientific name and triticum raceterium, and second is uh, durum wheat with triticum durum, and third is Limer wheat, which scientific name is Triticum dicoccum, and fourth is short wheat, scientific name is Triticum uh, spirococcum. Um, Triticum common wheat, importance of common wheat. Common wheat occupied 87% in India, which mostly used for cultivation, and this wheat introduced by Dr. Borlang from Mexico, that's called Mexican dark wheat. The Their wheat are mostly prepared for bread, chapati, and different bakery items. Second wheat is durum wheat, the scientific name Triticum durum. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 28, which occupied in India 11%, and is useful for macaroni, suji, and different items which prepare by. This is mainly used for bakery purpose. And third one is emmer wheat. Emmer wheat is scientific name Triticum dicoccum, which chromosome number 2 and is equal to 28, and this is used occupied 1% in India, and this is used for bread, and fourth one wheat is salt wheat, which is chromosome number is 2 and barabar 42, uh, which is not commonly grown because it is not sus- susceptible for field, and is susceptible for disease, and due to not climatic condition involved for this wheat, it is not grown in India mainly. Irrigation management of wheat. Different time, different stage of wheat, given the water timely. First is the CRI stage, which crown initiation stage. It is a root and shoot between stage, crown initiation stage. This is a critical stage for uh, need to water to the plant, and second is stage is tillering stage. Tillering stage has a 40 to 45 day after sowing, given the water, and tillering and flowering stage is 80 to 85 day after sowing, given the irrigated the field and um, milking stage is 180 to 100 day after sowing given the irrigation and dubbing stage is 100 to 1 105 day after sowing given the irrigated the field for better growth and development to the plant and fertilizer management of wheat is rain-fed condition given NPK ratio is 100, 80 and 60, which nitrogen given 100 kg per hectare and 80 kg per hectare phosphorus and 60 kg potassium given to the plant and given to the plant and variety of wheat, different variety, high yielding variety have developed by the scientist. First is single dwarf variety is Sonalika, which is much yield, and second is a Kalyan Sona variety, which is double dwarf variety of wheat. Harvesting of weed. Weed is harvesting when 20 to 30% moisture found in wheat plant, then harvesting and left for 2 to 3 days for drying to the plant, and then for uh, harvesting by thresher or directed to by harvester to the in the field and if we talk about yield of wheat so then wheat yield is depends upon variety and different climatic condition uh, different condition like rain-fed agriculture yield is 20 25 to 13 quintal per hectare and irrigated condition yield is 40 to 45 kg quintal per hectare and average yield of wheat is 13 degrees Celsius and if we cultivated if unirrigated condition uh, uh, then yield is 10 to 20 quintal per hectare. And now, if we talk about wheat straw, then first to wheat straw is used for animal straw, animal for feeding purpose because different type of nutrients found in wheat straw with nourishing the animals with producing more milk and second one is can be used for seed bed medium for mushroom production and third is fuel purpose used for cooking and preparation of food fuel and fourth one of wheat straw used for making of house like forest area poor homes can be used. Now we talk about important points of wheat. Wheat is a dry climate crop with required optimum temperature 25 to 13 degrees Celsius. Wheat for germination required temperature 4 to 5 degrees Celsius and tillering for 20, 20 degrees Celsius and drought for 30 degrees Celsius is required. And wheat is a self-pollinated crop and C3 and long day uh, crop. And first dwarf variety is wheat is Norrington, which developed by Dr. E. Borlang by in 1961. Now we talk about last point of cultivation wheat. The most important wheat variety is Kalyan 34 and there is a IPM near IPM lab, showing variety, showing variety. This is a trial. Uh, this is a trial, and uh, N NW 80 and 89. This is a first year, and this is all about variety, which is trial. And thank you.